So do you know why you should start a YouTube channel in 2024? Not because everybody is doing it, because it is another way of liberating yourself financially. I know you have a job. I know your job is demanding. I know you don't have time. I know all of those things, but financial freedom is something that is very important to each and every one of us. And I can convince you that starting a YouTube channel in 2024 and making an additional income, it is highly possible. So that is why I want you to start a YouTube channel, but we need to talk about what you need to do in order for you to start a YouTube channel. The first thing that I want you to do is just start. All you have to do is set up, whether you are in your office, if you are a police officer, in your vehicle, or wherever you may be. You're a student, you are sitting at home because you are unemployed, especially if you're sitting at home unemployed and you have a smartphone, or whatever the case may be. You might even be a housewife, a housekeeper, a nanny, a Bolt driver, an Uber driver. That is content that you can place on the internet and make a living out of that, or maybe another stream of income, a side hustle for that matter. And yeah, take care of yourself and have financial freedom. If anything that Kovovo should have taught all of us is that our jobs may be nothing but a mist. Here now, gone the next moment, because another virus might decide to say hello. But if you have a YouTube channel, that while you are busy sitting at home because the government has shut down the country, you are still able to pump content on your channel and continue to make a living. If that doesn't convince you, then I don't know what will. Second thing that I want to let you know is that it's not too late to start a YouTube channel. Yes, I know many people are saying, oh my goodness, everybody's starting a YouTube channel, so the whole field is saturated. It may be saturated, but your best bet is you being authentic, you presenting yourself differently from everybody else. That is what will stand you out and then cut through all this saturation that you are worried about. Just be yourself and come onto YouTube, start a channel, and then serve us what we would enjoy, because that is what we have searched for, and then add your personality onto that. Trust and believe me, you are going to make a killing on YouTube. The second thing that I want to convince you of as why you need to start a YouTube channel in 2024 is that there is an audience. Whatever niche that you're thinking of, whether it's in finance or it is in housekeeping or it's in Uber driving or it's in babysitting or it's in something or do-it-yourself or skincare routine or health and fitness. Hey, there is a huge, this word, it always beats me when I would try to say it because I like saying it, a plethora of things that people are searching for on YouTube. Remember, YouTube is a search engine. Take advantage of that. Go onto YouTube right now. Go to the search bar, type A, just type A, and you will see topics under A that people are searching for on YouTube. Choose one and run with it. Or go under B or go under C, D, all the alphabets. You will see that people are searching for something under that alphabet. Take advantage of the YouTube search bar, and then you have a niche. And then drop that video. Trust and believe me, we are here. We are going to discover your videos and we are going to subscribe if it's something that resonates with us. The third thing that I want to convince you of why you need to start a YouTube channel in 2024, that's because there is money to be made on YouTube. Now, YouTube ads, something very interesting that happened in November, and YouTubers are making more money than ever. Trust me, I'm monetized and I know what I'm talking about. My December has been very nice because of that. And I can convince you that there's money to be made if you start a YouTube channel in 2024. The fourth thing that I want to convince you of why you should start a YouTube channel in 2024 is that the internet does not forget. So create content that is evergreen, meaning that Content that is relevant today, tomorrow, next week, next year, 10 years down the line, 50 years down the line, and you will still be making money out of that content. That is why it's imperative that you, when you become a content creator on YouTube or any platform for that matter, that you come with a niche. Know what you are going to talk about. And I always say, choose a topic that you know you can talk about. You can talk about it from now until sunrise and sunset. That is your niche. That topic that you are good at, that is your niche. The fifth thing is that YouTube is a search engine. I've been saying this. I think now I just bit my tongue trying to convince you once again that YouTube is a search engine. Have a niche when you come onto YouTube. Utilize your qualification as a niche that you are going to start creating videos on. If you are a financier, hey, y'all have more money than any YouTuber on the platform if you are going to pursue that niche. Talking about money, whether it's personal finances, or you are talking about investment, stock market, Forex, Bitcoin, or you are talking about real estate, investing in real estate, whatever it is that you are good at or you have a qualification of, create that into a niche. That kind of cuts off all the thinking and the worry and all of that. If you are talented, if you don't have a qualification and you are talented one way or the other, you are good at using your hands, do arts and crafts. Or do it yourself, do DIY, show us how to make a bench or how to fix a light bulb, how to change a tire, things of that nature. Those are what you call niches that people are searching for on YouTube. Trust me, I don't know how to change a tire to save my life. But guess what? When I want to change a tire, I'm in trouble and I'm stuck in the middle of the road. Guess where I will go? To YouTube. That is why YouTube is a search engine. That is why when you create content that we search for things for or on. The sixth thing, which is kind of like tied with the third thing that I said, that there's audience on YouTube. There are 1 billion people on YouTube. People that are watching YouTube. 1 billion, probably 2 billion at this point. Yeah. That's almost a third of the world population, if my math. I know my math is horrible. Let's just leave that math part. But what I'm trying to say, there are 2 billion people that are watching YouTube videos. And over 500 million YouTube videos are posted on YouTube every day. 500 million people are uploading videos every single day on YouTube. And 500 million people know that they have an audience out of that 2 billion people that are watching YouTube videos. So that is why it's saturated, but not saturated. All you have to do is stand out. Be who you are. Don't be somebody else. Be yourself. Love yourself so that people can love you too. And listen and gain something out of you when you are dropping a video. Value is so important. Have value proposition in all of your videos. The seventh thing why you should start a YouTube channel is because of freedom. Oh my God. There is nothing more nicer than being free, financially free, I'm talking about. You know that you earn a salary if you are full-time employed, and come the 21st of each month, because that's when we get paid on YouTube, another stream of income is expected. It's going to arrive around the 23rd if you are outside of the United States, particularly if you're in South Africa. Yeah, that's when you get your YouTube salary. And it kind of like supplements your main salary. And now you're able to save. You are now able to do stuff that you were not able to do with your 9-to-5 salary. And if you're unemployed, guess what? Now you're earning money. Guess what? You're earning money now. You don't have to worry about, oh my goodness, from where I'm going to borrow money to go for an interview, or to go put together a CV, or to take a bus or a train or taxi to an interview, whatever the case might be. Why? Because now you're earning money. And let me tell you something, having 3,000 Rand coming to your bank account and you are unemployed, that's a lot of money, because when you actually have a YouTube channel, you don't have to travel anywhere. You don't have to budget for a taxi ride or a taxi fare, bus fare, train, whatever not, because you're basically doing this from the comfort of your home. If you're a housewife, same thing. If you are a nanny, same thing. If you are creating content as an Uber driver, talking about the experiences that you have on the road with people, the stories that they tell you, those are the things you're interested in. And you're going to be making money out of that. And then you add on to your financial freedom. Is that something bad? That is why you need to start a YouTube channel in 2024. The eighth thing, if you're wondering, so how much does it take to start a YouTube channel? Absolutely free of charge. You don't have to spend a cent. No capital is needed. All you need is a Gmail account. YouTube is owned by Google. YouTube is owned by Google, and Google has a Gmail account. If you have a Gmail account right now, believe me, you have a YouTube channel. If you have a YouTube icon if you have a YouTube app on your phone right now, go to it. If you don't have it, go to your Chrome, download it. After downloading it, you will see what I'm talking about. Your email address will be associated with your email address, meaning that your email address is also your YouTube channel. All you have to do now is name your YouTube channel. Please, whatever you do, do not make the mistake of making your YouTube channel name long or a YouTube channel name that does not make sense. The safest thing that you can do with your YouTube channel when you're starting out and you don't have a name for it, name it your name and surname. Clantis Dumagute, or like I have it, Clantis on Business. If you cannot find a name for your channel, use your name and your surname. And if you use your name, remember YouTube is also a global platform. Please do not put a difficult name to pronounce, because as your YouTube channel gets to be spread across the globe, people must not find it difficult to pronounce your name. Otherwise, they're not going to subscribe or watch your videos. Let your name be as simple and pronounceable as possible. That's the safest space you can go. Don't go all, please, whatever you do, the shorter your YouTube channel name, the better. And must also make sense to the content that you are creating on YouTube. The ninth thing is the same thing that I said as number one. Just do it. Just do it. You got nothing to lose, because it's free of charge to start a YouTube channel. Just have a Gmail account and then activate your YouTube channel and start uploading videos on your channel and never look back. Trust and believe me, you'll come back after 365 days and saying, Clantis, thank you so much for that advice. Hopefully you take me out to lunch. Anyways, bye.